The most important benefit for a work injury, and I will talk about it in even more detail later in this video, is your medical coverage. You have the right to full and complete medical coverage for your work injury. Unlike a car accident, where the amount of the recovery is capped based on how much insurance coverage the at-fault driver has, there is no cap on how much medical coverage you are entitled to receive for a work injury. Our firm has represented many people who have had catastrophic work injuries, like a brain injury or paralysis, and their medical costs have gone up into the millions of dollars. Fortunately, there's no cap that says, okay, you're getting ready to cross over $100,000 in medical bills, that's going to be it. It doesn't work like that when it comes to workers' compensation. If the medical bills related to your work injury cost $500,000, that's what gets paid. Another benefit of our workers' compensation system is that there is no copayment or deductible obligation that you have to pay out of pocket. In fact, you should not pay 1 penny for your medical treatment if your claim has been accepted by the insurance company. Workers' compensation is required to pay all of your authorized treatment costs. The doctors who work within our workers' compensation system are required to write off any balance after they receive the workers' compensation payment from the insurance company, so they shouldn't be billing you for any balance. One thing that can be a problem when it comes to medical coverage for work injuries in South Carolina is that the workers' comp insurance company has the absolute right to choose your doctor. Attorneys who represent injured workers have been fighting for years to try to get that changed, to at least give injured workers some say-so in the choice of their doctor. So far, we have not been able to get that change made. In order to ensure that your treatment costs are covered, you need to go with the doctor chosen by the insurance company. There are a couple of other issues related to medical care that I want to touch on. First, mileage reimbursement. You have the right to be repaid for car mileage related to your treatment, and that includes mileage to and from the drugstore to pick up your prescription drugs. But you need to keep track of your mileage. We will give you some forms that you can use to track your mileage, and we will submit them for you for reimbursement. The mileage reimbursement rate is frequently changed by the Workers' Compensation Commission. Of course, your prescription drug costs are covered by workers' compensation. The insurance company will either authorize the prescription drugs at the drugstore or they will give you a drug card that you can use. But if you pay for any prescription drug costs, you need to get us those receipts so we can submit them for you.